Wow, hear the sound of my mac and cheese. Crispy on the top, nice and soft, creamy on the inside. This Thanksgiving, you're in your kitchen, make your mac and cheese the way how you want to. You can use 1 cheese, 2 cheese, 3 cheese, 4 cheese, 5, 6 cheese. Eggs or no eggs, just do you. At the end of the day, all these cheese is not even good for our cholesterol anyway. So just enjoy the moment now. Happy Thanksgiving to you. I did not make this macaroni with eggs. I make a roux with butter, flour, cheese, evaporated milk, and some heavy cream. I cook and drain my macaroni, add my sauce, add to the pan, then sprinkle some cheese, another layer, then add some more cheese, put to bake. And this is what it looks like. Nice, crispy on the outside, cheesy on the inside. Thank you so much. One love. Bless up yourself.